Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how the best Shopify apps for beginners in 2025. So let's get started. First of all, the apps that have the first number is Pagefly. So Pagefly offers a drag and drop interface. After that we have Privy. Privy is primarily known for pop-ups and landing pages. After that we have Print on Demand. For that we have Printful and Printify that helps to various prints on demand options. So after that we have customer reviews. For that we use Looks, and after that we have email marketing. Privy is an grateful software for email marketing, and the last one is Omniseed. So these can help you in your running Shopify stores. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.